Is your truck's cab feeling more and more like an icebox this winter? Let's talk about why and how to fix it. I'm Megan with S&M Diesel, and this is Just the Tip. If your engine isn't getting up to temp, and your cab feels like it's running on Alberta chill mode, the problem often starts with your thermostat. A failing or stuck open thermostat won't let your engine heat up properly, leaving you freezing in the cab and putting extra strain on your engine. But that's not all. A clogged or failing heater core could be the real culprit. This small but essential part circulates warm coolant through your heating system. If it's blocked, damaged, or leaking, you'll be shivering no matter how long your truck runs. Ignoring these issues can lead to bigger problems, like poor fuel efficiency, added engine wear, and even overheating. If your truck can't stay warm, it's time for a checkup. Don't let winter win. Bring your truck by and we'll check your thermostat, heater core, and everything in between to make sure your truck is ready for Alberta's coldest days.